enhancing your looks by going under the knife is no longer taboo. We have a doc in the house that'll give us the 411 on the industry's most popular cosmetic surgeries. Welcome back to the Daily Buzz. 23 minutes past the hour. Getting cosmetic surgery is no longer taboo. It's practically mainstream. Millions of people are enhancing their looks every year with the help of today's medical technology. But which procedures are done the most, and how much do they really cost? Dr. Scott Greenberg is here to give us a lowdown on the most popular cosmetic surgeries. Good morning, doctor.
Morning, Andrea.
Thank you so much for joining us. Let's start with the top 5 surgical procedures. What are they?
Top 5 surgical procedures. First is liposuction, followed by breast augmentation, and eye lifts or blepharoplasties are next. Rhinoplasty, nose jobs are next, and then finally tummy tucks or abdominoplasty.
I'm surprised to see liposuction at the top of the list. Is that kind of a new trend?
It's been that way for probably the last several years.
Really?
It's safe, easy, people like to do it.
Well, it seems like back in the day, cosmetic surgery was really expensive, but the numbers don't seem as high now. Can you give us some average costs of these surgical procedures?
Yeah, starting again at the top, for liposuction, that probably goes about $2,700. Now, these are surgeon's fees only.
Okay, we have the wrong graphic up at the moment, so we'll just go ahead and talk about it. But go ahead with the prices as far as the liposuction goes.
These are surgeon's fees, and these were gathered from national averages from the American Society for Aesthetic Plastic Surgery. So the fees may vary in your geographical areas. So liposuction is about $2,700. That's per area.
Okay.
Breast augmentation is probably around $3,600. Blepharoplasty runs about $2,800.
That's the eye lift.
Right. Rhinoplasties or nasal surgery about $4,200, and finally tummy tucks in the neighborhood of about $5,200.
And when you break down the bill, what is the surgeon's fee?
Well, the surgeon's fee is actually what the surgeon charges to do the operation. Then there's additional fees which may include the operation facility and then anesthesia costs.
Okay. What if you're not exactly ready to go for the full nip tuck? You just want to maybe do a little bit of maintenance? What are the top 5 non-surgical procedures?
The non-surgical procedures, number 1, far and away, is Botox, followed by laser hair removal, hyaluronic acids with Restylane and those kinds of injections, microdermabrasion, and then chemical peels.
Okay, and let's talk about ballpark costs for each one of those. What should you expect to spend?
For Botox, probably around $380 per area. Laser hair removal, about $350. Hyaluronic acid, about $530. Microdermabrasion, about $150 per treatment, and chemical peels about $850.
And you said the key phrase there, per treatment. A lot of those are per treatment, so you'll have to go back again and again. A lot of folks see Restylane, they see Botox. What's the difference between the two?
Botox is something that will paralyze a muscle. So we use that mainly around the eyes for crow's feet, frown lines, etc., whereas Restylane kind of fills in lines. These lines here, upper lip lines, is also the number 1 procedure done to enhance lips.
All right, Dr. Greenberg, thank you so much. For more information on all these procedures or to ask Dr. Greenberg a question about cosmetic surgery, you can go to our website, dailybuzz.tv.